I came to San Diego in 1980 on a 3-year plan. I thought, okay, I'll come to San Diego and then move on and go back to San Francisco or Boston. And I'm still here, couldn't be happier. This is a fantastic place to live.
How you doing today? What can I get for you?
I would like a 3-shot Americano. Heavy cream.
Heavy cream?
For here.
Okay, I'll have that for you in a minute.
I'm Scott Ehrlich. I'm a professor of law at California Western School of Law. I teach property, bankruptcy, and an advanced course in business planning. In the classroom, I bring in a lot of my triathlon training. So, when you've completed a 70-mile ride, you are high-fiving all the people you did it with. And that's the approach that I bring to the classroom. We're in this together. And at the end of class, I want the students to feel like it's time to high-five each other. I just qualified for the Triathlon World Championships in Rotterdam next year. So that absorbs a lot of my non-teaching time. One of the interesting things about being a triathlete is that I am constantly training. I'm working really hard. I'm pushing through some really hard stuff. And it helps me understand what the students are going through in their learning experience. And I like to bring that into the classroom, right? We're in this together, we're pushing through this hard stuff, but we're gonna get some good results at the end. As a triathlete, what works for me is discipline, perseverance, pushing through. Even when you want to stop, you keep going. And I like to bring that to the classroom and transmit that to our students. You need motivation to get through this process. And I like to bring that motivation and pass it on to the students. I think the people who've had the biggest impact on me are my colleagues and my students. This has been a very long-term endeavor for me. I love my colleagues. They've really been supportive of everything that I want to do at the law school, as well as in my personal life. And my students have just been terrific. I've learned so much from them. There's a connection that goes on sometimes in the classroom that's really terrific. And that connection continues after law school as well. I want my students to be really effective lawyers. I think I've been a really effective lawyer, and I can model that for my students.